So Drake has been gambling a lot. This is the latest thing is like gambling content where you're streaming and gambling. I mean, it's not the latest thing. It's been going on, but it's hot right now.
Yes.
To watch people win money and lose money. We're all desperate for emotion, to see emotion. We tune in like, whoa, he just lost or he just won. Or
Is he live streaming?
he's on Twitch now.
Oh, is he?
Yeah. He's big. He's big. He's loving Twitch. He's mixing it up with the community, and he's promoting Stake, the gambling site, which he's obviously has interest in promoting. Now, apparently, his balance during one of these recent sessions reached 27.2 million, but by the end of the night, he was down to 1,879. It's a big swing there, Will. So, talking about $27 million. Just another night. I do actually appreciate that you would show that, though.
Yeah.
Because then you're not really sending the message that this is a win-win situation. You can also lose plenty of money doing these things. He was on there with French Montana, and you can watch the action via streaming or on YouTube. But I just want to make it clear to people, as much as I'm sure he's having fun and all that, the way these things work is there's always some other external upside, right? Which is that everything acts as a promotion for Stake regardless. Like I'm looking at the YouTube upload after. It's like Stake versus Drake featuring French Montana. It's like you got a product now. You got a commercial out of the deal. Now, I'm not saying the commercial's worth $27 million, but I mean, you saw the money that, DraftKings gave to sports streamer McAfee. Like, at some point, people are putting money into Stake because they're watching all of this. So it's not just a straight up 27 million lost. It's all part of this like promotional mechanism.
Sure.
That he needs to be on there playing. And he definitely needs to be risking amounts of money that you think should matter to him, or else it doesn't work. It's not compelling. If Drake's betting 500, what are you watching?
Yeah.
It's got to be some astronomical figure. So in this case, the figure acts as the exciting aspect. Like, oh, damn, did he just lose? Did he just, or win, lose, win, these type of 10 million, 12 million, whatever it happens to be, promoting this site. The gambling stuff is just going bananas.